Tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou katoa. Hi everybody, I'm Jason Langley, Managing Director for Ingram Micro New Zealand, and it's my great privilege to be here with you all today. Thanks for tuning in. In his keynote, Paul Bay talked about Ingram Micro's 3 global strategies: winning together, transforming the customer experience around IT, and delivering more solutions. So how do those global strategies translate at a local level? Importantly, they don't exist for us to simply sell you more stuff. Instead, they're about us partnering with you and providing access to more tools and solutions to help you service your customers better and to grow your business faster. Over the next 15 minutes, you will hear from several of our leadership team who will share their thoughts on where we're headed and how you can get more from your partnership with Ingram Micro. I'll get things started with a couple of thoughts of my own. Firstly, delivering more solutions means different things to different people. For Ingram Micro, it means creating value through bringing together products from multiple vendors while also offering a series of ancillary services designed to wrap around or support a solution sale. With that in mind, we've been working behind the scenes to better leverage our extensive vendor line card to bring you comprehensive solutions to solve your customers' business needs, which will ultimately make it easier for you to source complete multi-vendor solutions from Ingram Micro. Watch out for more to come on that topic. We've also added more ways for you to improve your margin profile and to create more complete solutions for your customers with new and innovative finance initiatives designed to improve cash flow, end-user training to help your customers get the most from their investment in technology, and environmentally friendly ways to dispose of or repurpose old IT equipment, while also providing cash back for that equipment. You'll hear more about these solutions and more over the next few minutes. Another great way we can help you get more from your partnership with Ingram Micro is through Agency Ingram Micro, or AIM, our world-class marketing team. Marketing is table stakes for any distributor, but over recent years, we've been busy expanding the team's remit and extending their creativity and expertise to our vendor and reseller partners, providing marketing support where they don't have existing capability or providing overflow support to augment their own team during busy times. If your business doesn't have the expertise or resource to create its own lead generation marketing or more complex end-to-end nurture campaigns designed to turn suspects into prospects and prospects into customers, come and talk with us. We'd love to be involved in your next campaign. With that, I'd like to call on members of our local leadership team to share their thoughts on areas you can get more value from your partnership with Ingram Micro. Joining me today, I have Barbara Kidd, General Manager, Cloud, Jamie Hall, General Manager, Advanced Solutions, Jared Watson, General Manager, Enterprise and Commercial Sales, and Craig Page, Director of Finance. Let's begin with Barbara. Barbara, what should our partners be doing now to become cloud leaders of the future, and how are we helping them?
Thanks, Jason. The focus for partners should be on how they can best provide more value to their customers as the future unfolds, which means partners need to scale as much as possible while providing excellent service and profitable growth. And Ingram Micro Cloud has been investing in helping them do exactly that, helping our partners to do more with more. Let me give you a few examples of what cloud partners should be doing to really excel in this space. To start, partners really need to simplify their cloud offering, like creating bundles of Microsoft 365 with cloud backup and security. Even better if they can then create specialist bundles that are targeted to different types of workers and wrap their own services around these. Next, they really need to leverage digital marketing. And I know many partners struggle with this, which is why we created the Go-to-Market Hub to provide pre-built sales and marketing assets that can be branded and taken to market as quickly as possible. At this point, automation is key to a partner's growth. Monthly subscriptions result in additional workload, and I know of many partners that have been badly impacted by back-end administration and operational charges. Partners should therefore invest a bit of time to leverage our free automation and APIs to integrate our cloud technology with their ordering and billing systems. Partners should also consider extending our white label marketplace to their customers. This is a free branded e-commerce solution that allows customers to self-serve, giving them the flexibility to order what is needed while reducing a partner's time and costs to do this on their behalf. Finally, I'm keen to emphasise the importance of infrastructure as a service. Projected as the future of cloud with the biggest growth, this is where cloud partners really do have a chance to shine, leveraging our IaaS Centre of Excellence to help build trusted advisor status with their customers and protect their future profitability. In summary, successful cloud partners should monetize the entire life cycle of cloud services, and our goal is to provide the tools, the team, the automation to help them go to market as quickly as possible at no extra cost.
Thanks, Barbara. Jamie, how have your priorities changed, and what are you and your teams focused on as we enter the new norm?
Thanks, Jason. Priority-wise, not a huge change. At the surface, that might seem strange, but if we consider our work life as an example, it's fair to say our priority to enable our customers to win remains. But how we're doing it is very different. We have rapidly shifted from face-to-face to online contactless interactions. As a nation, it's fair to say some of us have adapted better than others, and that challenge will continue. Understanding the how is key to adding additional value to our partnerships, and that's one area our teams are focused on. There aren't many certainties at the moment, but one thing I am certain of is that there will be more challenges to overcome, and Ingram Micro will be there to add value. When thinking of how our interactions have changed, technology has been a key enabler in this challenging time, and I want to quickly reference a new partnership hot off the press that personally stands out to me as one we can all gain value from. And that is partnering with the team from Using Technology Better. These days in business, to have a competitive edge is generally driven by people and technology. But this provides its own complexities, and even on our core platforms like mail clients or collaboration tools, we know we could be using them more efficiently, but we generally just stick to the basics. And this is where Using Technology Better comes in. They can provide instructor-led or self-paced training for almost any technology platform in a cool and engaging way. From the newest member of any business to the CEO, the value is compelling. Ingram Micro is proud to be partnered with Using Technology Better to add that additional solution layer to enable business regardless of size, industry, geographical spread, to be more productive and efficient. So to circle back, the biggest challenge is really in the how, and that is one area our teams are focused on adding value. From my perspective, this rapid shift brings new opportunity and an exciting new way to partner and win together. Back to you, Jason.
Thanks, Jamie. Jared, Internet of Things has been talked about for years. Is it finally ready for prime time? And what's Ingram Micro doing to support partners in this rapidly emerging field?
Many of us have sat in presentation theatres, listening to the next big thing. The first challenge here has been deciding what to call it. Some talked about the Internet of Everything, others the Internet of Things, which is stuck. This is not the only state of confusion within this area of technology. Yet again, it seems the idea of creating a single standard is not standard. The result of this has meant some vendors creating fantastic solutions, most of which aren't interoperable. Supporting the reseller channel with their IoT endeavours is not a new thing for Ingram Micro. Globally, we have tagged IoT as the next big bet, much like we did for our massive investment into cloud marketplace. We have executive leadership focused on driving a global IoT strategy and have recently opened a Centre of Excellence in Irvine, USA, showing off actual live examples of how IoT can add value to key industry verticals, such as smart cities, agriculture, manufacturing, utilities, construction, and healthcare. Perhaps you can join us for a tour when you overcome this little thing called COVID-19. Our local team have been working with a small number of channel partners who have shown an interest in growing their business by creating an IoT business practice. These partnerships have helped us identify opportunity and recruit new vendors to represent in the local market. In addition to our networking brands, who all have a strong IoT proposition, we have now upwards of 10 specialty IoT vendors, and there are many more to come. Ingram Micro's plan is to make it easy for you to provision a mixed vendor, carrier agnostic IoT service for you to deliver to your customer, all served up on a single dashboard for easy digestion of data. COVID has presented us with a perfect example of how IoT can change the world. Using heat sensing cameras, we have seen opportunities rise, scanning temperatures of people as they walk into the buildings. Be ready. The opportunities are endless, and Ingram Micro is here to help you navigate through this exciting opportunity. If you want to get involved and don't know where to start, get hold of me. I'll be happy to help.
Thanks, Jared. And finally, Craig, from a finance perspective, with all the uncertainty in the world, where do you see the opportunities for Ingram Micro to help channel partners to remain profitable while also achieving a good return on working capital?
Thanks, Jason. The first area is financing and credit. Currently, we are finding credit insurers are getting really tight on credit and really reducing credit limits where they can. With the tightening of credit, it is important that the finance teams look at other options to help those customers that end up short of credit. One of the areas is obviously leasing or financing, which assists in stretching your cash out. One way to overcome the credit crunch is to use financing options when purchasing. Finance companies pay quickly, which means you can pay off your purchase and free up credit for new purchases. It also provides for the ability to be able to renew your IT equipment every 3 years and keep yourself up to date. Ingram is also finding other ways to assist customers to free up cash. We're finding that some customers are looking to free up cash by selling their existing equipment to a financing company. Basically, you sell your IT equipment to a financing company and then they will lease it back to you, providing you with instant cash. Another way is to look at selling your old equipment for money. Often, you find that when IT items are replaced, the old equipment will lie around the office and gather dust. Guess what? The old IT equipment may actually have some value associated to it. We are finding in a number of situations that customers are surprised at the value we can obtain for them when selling their aged equipment. One other area the teams can assist is in education. Finance teams need to make themselves available to the go-to-market teams and educate on profit and working capital and the relationship. Once deal evaluation is ingrained in the business, you can then be sure that when deals are being completed, both profit and working capital are being looked at together. When teams are shown the effect that working capital has on returns, it's quite amazing how they can start pulling levers to make deals more profitable for the business.
Thanks, Craig. And thanks again to all the team for sharing your thoughts on how our partners can extract more value from their engagement with Ingram Micro. Recapping the partnering opportunities and the opportunities to accelerate your business's revenue and margin, today we've covered Ingram Micro's Cloud Marketplace, which equips you to take advantage of an increasingly subscription-based software landscape with 100% automated billing, enabling you to scale your monthly recurring revenue infinitely without the need to increase administrative headcount. Using Technology Better, a new training partnership to Ingram Micro, which enables your customers to get the very most from their technology investment. Internet of Things, a rapidly emerging group of technologies that Ingram Micro is placing its big bets on for the near-term future, and which is finally ready for the early adopters amongst you. Ingram Micro Financial Services, with an array of centralized options that will enable you to confidently meet the myriad needs of your customers while freeing their cash flow and also preparing your business to take advantage of the inevitable future refresh cycle. And finally, Ingram Micro's IT Asset Disposition Service, which enables customers to rid themselves of their old equipment in an environmentally friendly manner, and in many cases, realize some residual value in that equipment. Partnering can mean many things, and today you've seen that for Ingram Micro, it includes extending beyond the traditionally accepted role of a distributor to provide ancillary new service offerings that create new centralised growth and value-add opportunities for you, our awesome New Zealand partners. We're partnering like we've never partnered before, with your success front of mind, and we encourage you to take advantage of the wide array of tools and services we've created to help you be more successful, and we absolutely wish you much success. Thanks again for tuning in to Ingram Micro 1. We hope you're enjoying this inaugural virtual event and look forward to meeting up with you all again in person soon. Ka kite.